Okay, we made it in and we located the leak. There it is. Okay, so we got two couplings on this 1/2-inch pipe that exploded. It froze while the homeowners were out of town, and they came back to the water, flooding everywhere under the house, and they did not have heat. We're in the middle of the winter, so we don't want that. So remember, if you're here in Unalaska Dutch Harbor and your pipes freeze and explode, give us a call at 907-359-4567. EC Construction Solutions will get you back up and running in no time.